Hello everyone, so in this video, we're going to be reviewing the Walkwork app. So if you don't know what this is, we have it here on Google Play. So as you can see, if you don't know what this is, they basically claim that you can start receiving free gift cards by walking. So for example, you get a free gift card by walking a certain amount of steps. And if you're wondering if this product is legit or not, I would advise you to download this. Please do not download this in the hopes of making money or any gift cards, since it is too good to be true. As you can see right here from the reviews, they are only rated 3.3 out of 5 stars. So as you can see from the reviews here, I redeemed June 18, received in July 31. Longer ads, but I like the format, so I'll keep it up for now, but only 3 stars. The app doesn't let you redeem. I don't know why, what happened, blah 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 blah. So basically the reviews are saying that it doesn't work. 1 star again, terrible experience, very tricky, garbage app, avoid, and basically the list goes on. So please guys, do not download this app in the hopes of making money and receiving some gift cards, since it is very obviously a scam. And that's basically it. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.